I'm home. I'm here in the house already. And you know, for 12 hours, less than 12 hours, I was able to use 4 airports here in Indonesia. Grabe, 4 airports. I left 9:55 a.m. Jakarta, here in Jakarta, through the Halim Airport. Halim is Halim Perdana Airport. Ang hirap no, nahihirapan talaga ako mag-remember. And then I arrived at the Bandara Adisit patingin Adisutjiptu. I arrived at the Bandara Adisutjiptu in Yogyakarta. That's their domestic airport. So yan yung older airport nila. Around 11 something in the morning. And then evening 7:40 p.m. I used the Yogyakarta International Airport. That's my third airport. Arrived at the Sukarno-Hatta International Airport nitong gabi lang. And on top of that, I used the train from the Yogyakarta City Center to the Yogyakarta International Airport, which only took me 30 minutes by train instead of 2 hours by car. Kaya ang galing. Really nice ang kanilang transportation dito. So kudos, bagus. And also the train, it's worth mentioning, para siyang talagang train sa Seoul. Malinis, very modern, and may direct access to the Yogyakarta International Airport.